This is a quick unboxing video of the Victure PC660 wireless security camera. I just got it. Here is the box that it came in. And it's pretty straightforward here. So let me just go right ahead and start by opening the box here. Okay, so this is what it comes with. Looks like we have a little kind of thank you card right here from Victure, and a user manual. Has a warranty information, some setup information, product information. Printed instructions here. All right. Then it comes with a, it's like this will be the wall charger. Sealed in its own little bag here. So there's that. And some mounting screws, small Phillips head screwdriver, and what we have here, this would be the antenna. And then it looks like the camera itself. So there's the camera, and I'm just going to set this down, take a look and see if there's anything else. This would appear to be everything, and that is all. Just going to set the box aside. And so here's what we have. We have the camera. It's right here. A place clearly to attach the antenna. Which is then adjustable. This body here is a heavy-duty plastic. Seems quite sturdy to me. A place here where you can connect a Ethernet cable, and then there is the USB power cable, which will then connect to here. So these are the screws, the mounting screws. I see that there's a little opening here at the bottom so that you can feed the cable as this is attached to the wall. And then the camera body itself. Plastic film here, which I'm actually going to leave on until I finish mounting the camera. But there you have it. It's quite simple. And the next step for me is going to be to set this up and give it a spin. So that's it for the unboxing of the Victure PC660 wireless security camera. And this is everything that you get with it. Just lay all this out right here. And that's it.
Hi guys, I'm just gonna talk about this new security camera that I recently bought. This is a Victure PC660 wireless security camera. It looks very nice. It's not cheap or anything. It's like the material is really good, quite durable, and although it says wireless, it does provide you with a LAN port here, so in case if you want to use it with the wired connection, you can use it. This is the antenna. This is how it looks like. Another thing is like this camera rotates almost 360 degree. So this rotates like this, almost 360 degree, and vertically also it rotates to around 110 degrees, which is very good. In case if you want to pan it and focus on some nearby object, you can rotate it. This is the power cable, and came up with some installation screws. We gave some tools to install it. This is the power charger, yeah, and the user manual. So as of now, it looks really nice. I like the quality. It's really nice. I'm gonna install it, and let's see how it goes, and I'll update about this, how the product works and all. But as of now, it's really nice.